Glow Up with Shelly, and I am sitting here with my stepdaughter Peyton.
Hello.
And she is going to show me, well, she's actually going, no, she's not going to show me. She is going to give me a makeover.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. So I'm going to do my steps for my like daily makeup, and she's going to follow along, and we'll see the results.
And she's going to turn me into how she normally gets ready.
We're going very goth.
Going very goth. So this is completely different from what I have here.
Yep.
Though I think it'll be fun.
Yeah, it'll be very fun.
All right, are you ready for the intro? Ready? Okay,
yeah.
So remember, this channel is all about glowing up. Transformative skincare.
Flawless makeup.
And a lifestyle to match. If that resonates with you, don't forget to hit subscribe.
Smash that like button.
And ring that notification bell because we want you to know when I post.
Yep.
And possibly have Peyton on.
Yep.
Future videos. Okay, so here we are, sans makeup.
Yep.
No makeup on. And we are going to, she's going to show me what to do and I'm going to do it.
Yep.
So let's get started.
I'm just going to start with foundation.
Foundation.
Like normal.
Okay. Do you do any concealer or?
We're going to just do foundation first, all over. I like to cake it on.
Okay, okay, cake it on.
Yeah.
Okay, I can do that.
Yeah.
I got 2 foundations here.
That's great. Just the more layers, the better.
The more layers, the better?
That's what I say. Get it in your hair, that's all right.
Okay, that's all right? Get it in my hair?
Yep.
So lots like this? Like this
oh my god, yeah, yeah. No, that's great.
Okay. Yeah. We're caking the foundation.
Oh my god, yeah. Yeah, you're really going for it.
Hey, I'm following you.
Yeah, no, that's great. I love it.
So I am putting on one of my favorite foundations, the Chanel Ultra Le Tint.
I am using a $3 foundation I got at Walmart.
Peyton, you're so cute. Now I'm going in with the Bobbi Brown foundation. You said put it on.
Yeah, it's great.
You said cake it on.
Yeah.
So that's what I'm doing.
Yep.
I like that it's so white. I think it'll go with this look.
Yeah. Yeah. Just pale face and black hole eyes.
Pale face and black hole eyes?
Yep.
Ooh, I like that.
Yeah.
And you do, so you do underneath your eyes or you just wait till your concealer?
Yeah, no, I just put it everywhere to start with.
Okay. I think I'm ready.
Okay. Next up is a bright concealer. And then we're going to do it under the eyes and a lot.
And a lot?
Yeah.
Okay, under the eyes and a lot.
Yeah.
Now, the only concealer I have is this Born This Way concealer.
That's great. Yeah.
It's kind of not really super bright. It's more yellowy.
That's all right. We'll make it work. Okay, we're going to do it there, here,
Okay.
and here.
And here.
Like that. Mm-hmm.
Where'd you do it? Oh, right here?
Yeah.
Okay. Now for my under eyes, I got to do my Bye Bye under eyes because I'm old.
Okay.
Okay. Lots of... I have so much makeup on that my... Okay.
Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and set it really quick so it doesn't crease.
Okay.
And so...
I can see why you'd have to do that with
Yeah.
this much.
Yeah.
Normally I don't wear this much foundation. This is a lot of foundation.
Yeah, this is like for, you know, night out.
Kind of night out,
Yeah,
get ready.
you
Okay,
know,
okay.
Yeah. Like this would probably look better in like a dark club and
Okay,
not
then,
like
like-
HD camera.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, it looks good on your skin because you're really young. So.
Right.
Anything new in your life, Peyton? No. Nothing new.
No.
What about that new job you got? You got a new job. You got to tell the audience you got a new job.
I don't want to tell them.
She got a new job.
I got a new job. I'm a piercer.
She's a piercer. So she's a lot cooler than I am. Much cooler than I am.
I wouldn't go that far. Okay, then I take that powder and I just kind of...
Oh, are we doing powder?
Yeah,
Oh, it's still like...
I
was
set
still
it really
messing with my-
quickly
oh,
so
okay,
it didn't
okay.
crease. So as soon as you're done, just...
See, that's different advice than I'd give the older women. I'd say let it
Less-
set.
yeah,
Yeah,
oh, okay.
yeah, because...
Usually less powder.
Yeah, less powder
Yeah.
for older faces, yeah. So when you're young, you can put lots of powder on right after you put your foundation on.
Is that the takeaway?
That's the takeaway.
Okay.
And I ran out of powder, so I'm having to use
I
my
also have like
backup.
none.
Do you need more? I mean, I have this Anastasia.
I'm getting one for Christmas.
I know you are. Actually, I still have it upstairs. You already finished?
I've got it down. I've done this so much I can do it in probably like 10 minutes.
Oh, just 10 minutes?
Well, the eyes will take longer.
Okay.
Do you already have your brows done?
Yeah, I did my brows.
Okay, then I'm gonna do mine.
So eyebrows are done. Ooh, I like them. They look great.
Thanks. Okay.
Okay, so what are we doing next, Peyton?
So I don't know if you already did it, but a nude eyeshadow just all over the
A nude
eye.
eyeshadow all
Yeah.
over the eyes? Okay. So I'm going to use the color Charm out of my Tarte Glamour palette. I haven't done a review of this palette yet. So.
Okay. Now the fun part.
Ooh. I'm excited.
So I like to use this palette.
Okay.
You might want to use it too, because it's kind of cheap. So
Okay.
it looks really black, but it's more of a gray, which is good for like transitioning.
Oh,
so
okay.
I like to put this black on first, and then we'll use like a nicer, darker
like
black
more
to
pigmented
pack on.
black.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
So we're gonna use this.
Okay.
And then you're gonna focus this like in a triangle shape on the outer corner, and then also pack it on the inner corner.
Okay.
And then kind of leave the middle blank for now.
Okay. So I'm going to go in a V shape on the outer corner. Let me get a smaller brush. Okay, guys, so I'm going in a V on my eye, and then I'm going in the inner corner of my eye as well. Like that?
Yeah, yeah.
It's very pigmented.
It's not supposed to be.
It's not?
But that's okay.
Is it because I used eyeshadow primer, maybe?
Yeah, maybe.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, but you've got the shape and everything perfect.
Okay.
This is just supposed to like be more of a transition, so it doesn't need to be so dark, but then we'll go in with like one of your nicer palettes with a much darker black and just put it like where it matters.
Okay. I don't think I've ever worn this much black eyeshadow.
Oh, well, we're gonna add a lot more.
Okay, I'm gonna go in like the fluffy brush like
Yeah.
Peyton suggests and just blend it out. You put eyeshadow on like I cook. Just
Right.
whatever, just a little
Yeah,
bit of this, and a little bit of that.
exactly.
Okay. Okay, so what are we doing next?
Okay, so now we're gonna take a darker black and we're
Okay.
gonna focus it just right like
And we're using our A18 brush, the Ariel brush
we are.
from Morphe.
Yes.
Okay.
And so we're gonna focus it just right here and right here.
Let me see. Okay.
See where I did those?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then kind of blend it out, but that's where you want, like, you want it to be the darkest.
Like that? Is that right?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Okay, okay. Are we doing the whole lid or just like...
Just get it, like, the blackest in those areas.
Okay. Okay, let me see. Okay, I see. Oh, you're kind of like blending it almost.
Yeah.
So it's Christmas Eve.
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh. And we have Christmas Eve festivities that we're doing tonight. We've got some food that we're making. And then in the morning, we're going to be making pancakes. Well, I'm going to be making pancakes.
Okay.
We just finished watching...
Oh, yeah.
Oh, was
she
the first
watched... Yeah.
I watched Elf for the first time.
Yes, which is my favorite Christmas movie.
I did not know it was your favorite Christmas movie.
When I was like 7 years old, I would watch the DVD every single night. It was the only thing I could fall asleep to.
Seriously?
Every single night. I broke like 3 DVDs because
How
I
old were
watched
you?
it, I don't know, probably like 7 or 8.
Aww.
It was the only thing I could sleep to. Yeah.
No, that's super cute.
Yeah.
Aww.
And I'm glad you enjoyed it.
I did enjoy it. It was
Yeah.
hilarious. I don't know why I've never seen it before. Probably because I don't have kids.
Yeah.
Well, I do.
Well, you do now.
I do now. And I'm glad.
Yes.
You're like, seriously, you are a lot like me when I was younger. It's weird. It's like,
Yeah, I can
it's like
believe
you
that.
were meant to be the daughter I didn't have.
And you're the mom I never had.
Right?
My mom
It's
would
so
never do
weird.
this. Yeah. How fun.
You're taking me back to the 90s, girl.
Yep.
I'm getting hip now.
You
suddenly.
are.
Okay,
Yeah.
so what are we doing next?
Okay, so now we need to find that silver.
Okay.
And basically we're just going to
Oh, I think the silver was
silver
in here.
color in the middle.
In the middle? Okay.
Okay, so we're just going to focus it in the center where we kind of left it a little blank.
Okay.
With these, you kind of have to do like 2 coats. So I have these and it can be a little patchy. So I like to put on 1 layer and then let that dry.
Okay, and then put on a second layer?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because it can be a little patchy, but you can fill it in. And it kind of removes the eyeshadow, so really just keep it in the middle.
Just keep it in the middle? Okay. So we are putting on the Stila Glitter and Glow. Oh, I see what you mean about the steaming 2 coats.
Yeah. So just kind of get it on and then let it dry.
Okay. Oh, wow, that's beautiful. Okay, I gotta do a second coat. I guess I need to up my game and get
really
some silver. Does it?
Yeah.
Oh, that looks
Yeah,
pretty.
just kind of put it on top, fill in the gaps.
Oh, wow, that looks really pretty. Oh, I like that. Wow.
Looks really good.
Okay.
Okay, so now take your liquid liner.
My liquid liner, okay. Okay,
And
got
then
my liquid liner.
we're gonna do a pretty big wing,
Okay, so
like out to here.
Okay, so show me how to do it first because I'm not good at doing wings. That's why I never do them.
Okay, well we're gonna do it today. It doesn't have to be perfect.
Okay.
But that far out.
Okay, so that far out. Okay, wow, that's a long wing.
Yep.
Okay, got a long wing there going. Good?
Yeah, good. And then kind of bring it in.
My
eyeliner's drying up.
I know mine is too. Yeah,
It's really dry too.
mine is getting dry too. I don't know if that one will work that well.
Oh, this one's worse than mine.
This one works. Hold on.
Okay.
I know, it's like, what's up with that?
Yeah, that's horrible.
Here, hold on.
Okay.
I don't know that I got my wing right. I'm not good at these.
No, that's good.
Is that good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe we both need new liners for Christmas.
I think so. We should have told your dad. Did I get it? Did I get it okay?
Yeah, that looks great.
I feel like I'm reliving my youth.
That's what I'm here for. So the next part is going to be really tricky, especially considering that none of these eyeliners really work. But we're going to do a tiny little triangle on the very inside of our eyes.
Okay, a tiny little triangle on the very inside of our
I'm going to try and see if I can't get mine to work.
Okay.
And let me try and do this really quick and show you what it's supposed to look like. Oh, yeah.
That one's good. Look at that awesome silver.
So you're going to do a triangle on the inside like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, triangle on the inside. Okay, that's going to be hard.
Yeah. They don't really have to match. We're going to put eyelashes on anyways.
We are? Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So let me look at your eyes again. Okay, I see. You kind of have a... Like that?
Yeah.
Does it look good? Okay. What am I doing next?
Yours looks good. I just used some black eyeshadow to kind of blend it so it's not so harsh. But yeah.
So black eyeliner to blend so it's not so harsh. And where am I blending?
I was just blending the eyeshadow in with the eyeliner just so it's not like a crazy harsh difference.
Wow, look at me. Woo! Okay, so let's do our contouring. So I want to see how you contour.
Okay. So
I'm gonna just follow everything you're doing.
Take it on a brush, and then I just do the classic like suck in face, like
okay, got it.
Like that, and then just go in. And don't be shy, you know. It's like a night out look, so.
Okay, so we're really going in full makeup.
Yeah,
okay.
Just go in with it.
I love me some contouring.
Yeah.
I'm using the Cali Contour by Smashbox. I'll list everything that I use in the description box.
Yeah, that'll be easier.
And I'll list everything Peyton uses as well.
Mine will be the cheaper alternative version. And yours will be the nice version.
That's why you go shopping in my vanity when you're here.
I need to do that.
Your dad just buys more, so.
Yeah, I'll just take what I want, and then you can be like, oh, my blush I ran out of it.
Did you,
I just do powder. So
you blended it.
Yeah.
Okay. I was like really going in with the contour.
Yeah, just blend it out and yeah.
Okay.
We're thinking like looks best under like club lights.
Oh, okay.
Like it's dark, so it's okay. It can be messy and whatever, but whenever it's dark, it looks really good.
Okay. I mean, a girl's best lighting after 35 is...
in the dark.
Dark.
Yeah, so this is perfect. This is perfect.
This will be great. I'll look like I'm 22.
Yeah, there you go.
Okay, contouring is done.
Okay, so then we're gonna do blush.
Okay.
And then we're gonna do like right up here on the cheekbone.
Okay.
And then we're gonna do the nose.
Okay, like
and then,
the tip of the nose?
Mm-hmm,
Okay.
And then a little on the chin.
Okay.
And we really pack it on. That's what's in, is blush.
Blush is in?
Yeah,
Okay.
like everywhere.
Okay, I'm doing the end of the nose.
Great, yeah.
Good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now what are we doing?
Okay, we're gonna go back to eyes.
Okay. And I've got my...
You wanna do this kind of liner.
Okay. Got that.
Yeah, so we're gonna tight line.
Okay.
So we're gonna do, like, the top of our eyelashes, like in there.
Okay, like in the eye, like where the waterline is?
Yep. These lights make this very difficult.
Oh, wow. Yeah, this is brutal. Woo!
Wow.
Wow.
And this is why I like to do it last, because it makes your eyes water, and then
It
it's gonna
does.
go everywhere.
Oh, I see though. It really makes it black.
Yeah, and then once you put lashes on, it looks like they're your real lashes.
Oh, does it really?
Yeah, because everything underneath is black, and then you have the eyeliner on, so it just looks like they're natural.
Oh, wow. That's super cool. I
Yeah.
didn't know that. Okay.
Okay.
Got it? I got it?
Yeah.
I got the white waterline. Okay.
Yep. So now we're gonna do more black eyeshadow.
More black eyeshadow.
Yep.
Okay. So a lot of black eyeshadow.
Yep.
Okay.
And then you want this to look more gray underneath the eye.
Okay. So we're going underneath.
Yeah. So we're gonna do it like right on the waterline, and then like 3/4 of the way in. Like
Okay.
yeah.
Okay.
You don't
3/4
want
of
it
the
to
way in.
touch that triangle.
Does that look right?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
It does?
Blend
Okay.
it out a little bit more. Make it look
Okay.
more smoky, because then we're gonna come in with that darker black and kind of, yeah, there you go.
Oh, I see. We're going to go
Yeah,
on
this
the...
is gonna be more of a gray look.
And I'm going into the... What am I doing next?
Take the darker black and just do it right below the lash line.
Right below the lash line.
Yeah,
Okay.
like almost like eyeliner. So the other one, the first layer, should be more gray and smoky, and then this is gonna look kind of like eyeliner.
Okay. It actually blends in well to my eyeliner.
Yeah, that's what, yeah. You want to kind of get that effect that the eyeliner is blending down.
Okay. Oh, wow. That's pretty.
Yeah.
Okay. That's pretty.
Yeah.
I like
Yeah,
it.
looks good.
Okay.
So now,
What are we doing
I suppose
next?
lashes.
Oh, that's it?
Yeah,
Oh,
lashes
wow.
and lips. Yeah. So these are the ones you bought me for Christmas.
Oh, wow.
And I think
Okay.
they're fantastic.
Oh, that is like, wow. That is like,
Are they big?
boom.
Yeah.
Look at how, wow. That like really pops.
Oh, yeah. There you go.
Oh, I love it. I actually love this look.
It's fun, right?
It is
Finally got one
for a
on.
night out. Ooh, beautiful. Those are really pretty lashes.
I like to overline.
I do too.
Yeah.
What kind of nude did you get? Like a darker?
Yeah.
Let me borrow
Yeah,
yours.
go ahead.
Yeah, I left my darker upstairs. I feel like we're getting ready to go out.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go to St. Vitus. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Maybe a little mascara on the lower lashes.
Little mascara on the lower lashes.
Just
Okay.
kind of bring it all together.
Okay. We can do that.
Yeah, and that's it.
Give it a good sweep on top because you know you
Blend
can
it all together.
never be too like dramatic.
Exactly. The more dramatic, the better.
Good.
Very good. Look
Oh,
at us.
wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
I love it.
I do too. Okay, so there you have it.
Yeah.
Here's our look.
Yes. I think it's very different for you. It's very fun.
It's very different from anything that I usually do, but I'm feeling very glamorous.
Yes. Yes.
Ooh,
It's very
I feel like-
glam.
yes, it is. And very 90s.
Yes.
Yeah.
We're ready to hit the town.
We're ready to hit the town, guys. So I have this beautiful black look with the silver liner, and I have a nude lip,
Yep.
just like Peyton.
Yep.
All right, so there you have it. This is our look. So thank you so much for watching Glow Up with Shelly, and I will see you next time.
Yes.
Hopefully again with
Smash
Peyton.
the like button.